Huh?
I need to teach this sly fox a good lesson. Let me trick this tricky fox. It will be so much fun.
I am starving and my tummy is growling. I hope I could get something to eat. But I'm so tired. I'll rest for a while under this tree. Oh heavens! I would enjoy munching this juicy grape so much. am sure these grapes are sour. I don't want them. I should not waste my time on sour grapes.
It's easy to despise what you cannot have.
I have tried so many times. Let me try just one more time.
The goose that laid golden eggs. Once upon a time, there lived a farmer who owned a farm with many chickens and geese in it. He used to sell the eggs and earn his honest living. But farmer's goose never laid any egg and ate a lot. Farmer didn't know what to do. One fine day, when he was collecting eggs, he saw the same goose had laid a golden egg.
A yellow egg? Oh my, a golden egg! I can get a good fortune for this one golden egg.
The farmer was more than happy to get a golden egg every day. He had sold many golden eggs and had become rich.
I am so fortunate that I have got a goose that lays a golden egg every single day.
Farmer had bought a huge mansion for himself, which was full of luxuries and comforts. But soon the farmer became greedy and began to dream about becoming the richest man in the world.
Now I have all the luxuries. I need to live a comfortable and happy life. But a single golden egg every day won't make me a rich man soon.
Farmer's greed knew no bounds, as he wanted to become a rich man soon. He had decided to fetch all the golden eggs from the goose as soon as possible. He finally was fast asleep, dreaming of becoming a rich man. Next morning, as soon as he woke up, he went to the goose's pen.
Finally, today I'll get plenty of golden eggs.
Without thinking of the consequences, greedy farmer harmed the goose and was left empty-handed.
Oh no! There is not a single golden egg in her stomach! What have I done? I harmed the one who gave me a golden egg every day and have made me so rich.
Farmer lost his favorite goose because of his greediness and stupid decision. It is truly said, too much greed always leads to some sort of downfall and great loss.